students, I welcome all of you in the King classes. The topics in mathematics which we were studying was English, and we have earlier complete our exercise first. Now it's exercise second, and in exercise second we have to do today question number 4, in which we are given a figure in which angle PQR is 110 degree, angle PQR is 110 degree, and angle RST is 130 degree. Also we have given here line PQ is parallel to line ST. We will extend here PQ to Y. Line PQ will be extended to Y, and we will draw line LM. Line LM parallel to ST. After that we have to find out in this question angle QRS. How we are going to find out this? Now we will start. We will first take angle TSX. TSX, that angle will be equivalent to SXQ. Both will be equivalent to 130 degree. Why? Because they are alternative angles. Line ST is parallel to line PQ. So they are alternative angles. Then angle TSX is equivalent to angle SXQ. Both will be equivalent to 130 degree. Now we will write here in this question angle SXQ plus angle RXQ. This angle 2 plus this angle 3, they both will be equivalent to 180 degree, because these are the two angles on a straight line, though they are linear pair. Now, which implies here, we know angle SXQ is equivalent to 130 degree plus angle RXQ is equivalent to 180 degree, which implies, now we will obtain here RXQ. हम हासिल करेंगे यहाँ पर angle RXQ, which will be equivalent to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So 180 में से 130 minus करेंगे तो वहाँ पर 50 degree बचेगा. So our angle RXQ, this angle will be equivalent to 50 degree. Now we have obtained this angle. We have to obtain now the angle QRS. QRS. We have to obtain this angle. Now, if angle RXQ is equivalent to 50, therefore angle XRM will be equivalent to also 50, because alternative angles. Alternative angles. अगर आप ध्यान देंगे ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल आपस में बराबर होंगे. क्यों? Because they are alternative angles. So we have obtained this angle. This is equivalent to 50. Now, in order to obtain this angle, we will here write angle PQR is equivalent to angle QRM. ये बाहर वाला एंगल 110 डिग्री वाला जो एंगल है PQR, वो किसके बराबर होगा? एंगल QRM. ये पूरा एंगल ये पूरे एंगल के बराबर होगा. क्यों? Because they are also alternative angles. Both will be equivalent to 110 degree. क्यों? Because ये भी alternative angles हैं. ठीक है? Now we have to find out angle QRS. एंगल QRS कैसे लिखेंगे हम? कैसे निकालेंगे हम? एंगल क्यू आर एम किसके बराबर होगा? ये पूरा एंगल दो एंगल के बराबर है। एक तो है एंगल क्यू आर एस, एंगल क्यू आर एस प्लस एंगल एक्स आर एम, एंगल एक्स आर एम, विच implies एंगल क्यू आर एम किसके बराबर है? दैट इज इक्वल टू 110 डिग्री, विच implies एंगल क्यू आर एस हमको निकालना है, क्यू आर एस प्लस ये जो एंगल एक्स आर एम है ये हमने पहले ही निकाला है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री। तो अगर हमारा एंगल क्यू आर एस हमको निकालना है, वी विल डू हियर, हम क्या करेंगे? एंगल क्यू आर एस किसके बराबर आएगा? वो 50 वहां पर पॉजिटिव है, यहां नेगेटिव में चला जाएगा, 110 माइनस हो जाएगा 50 डिग्री, विच implies एंगल क्यू आर एस विल बी इक्वलेंट टू 110 minus 50, that is equivalent to 60 degree. So we have obtained here the angle QRS that is equivalent to 60 degree. Now we have to do question number 5, in which we have given a figure. There is AB parallel to CD. Line AB is parallel to line CD. And we are also given angle APQ equivalent to 50 degree. Angle PRD equivalent to 127 degree. Now we have to find out angle X and angle Y. How we are going to obtain these angles? We will write here angle APQ will be equivalent to angle PQR. Both will be equivalent to 50 degree. How? Because these two lines are parallel and angle APQ will be equivalent to angle PQR. Both are alternative angles. So here we will write alternative angles. So we have find out value of X here, that's equivalent to 50 degree. अब हमें निकालना है Y का वैल्यू. How we are going to obtain the value of Y? अगर आप ध्यान देंगे फिगर की ओर, दिस एंगल PRD विल बी इक्विवेलेंट टू होल एंगल APR. ये पूरे एंगल के बराबर ये एंगल PRD होगा. In order to find the angle Y, we will use the property here, angle APR will be equivalent to angle PRD. Angle APR will be equivalent to angle PRD because they are also alternative angles. Because they are also alternate angles. Now, angle PRD is equivalent to 127. We know that. We can write here angle APR. एंगल APR, इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? APR, it is the combination of two angles. We will write here angle APQ, this angle, plus angle QPR. They both will be equivalent to angle APR, which implies we know angle APR is equivalent to 127 degree is equivalent to APQ. APQ is also equal to 50 degree plus angle QPR plus angle QPR, which implies we have to obtain angle QPR which will be equivalent to 127 डिग्री. ये प्लस था वहां माइनस चला जाएगा, will be equivalent to 50 डिग्री, which implies angle QPR will be equivalent to 7 and 12 से 5 कटेंगे तो वो भी 7 बनेगा. Angle QPR is equivalent to 77 degree, विच इम्प्लाइज ये जो एंगल क्यू पी आर है इसको हमने किस एंगल से डिनोट किया है, y, therefore y will be equivalent to 77 degree and x will be equivalent to 50 degree.